So over the past 7 years of private maths tutoring, I've had multiple requests to make a playlist on YouTube that covers all of the different types of topics that you can expect to see in each chapter. In GCSE Maths, there are 7 main chapters. Number 1, number. Number 2, algebra. Number 3, graphs. Number 4, ratios. Number 5, geometry. Number 6, Pythagoras in trigonometry. And number 7, statistics. This video marks the first within the numbers chapter, where I will be covering BIDMAS. The aim with the 5 in 5 series is to present 5 different GCSE Maths questions that cover the different styles of questions examiners repeatedly use in 5 minutes, so you can gain familiarity and confidence when sitting your exams. Before I get into this video, if you're new to the channel and this is one of your first lessons of mine, please consider subscribing. I release GCSE Maths lessons just like this one twice a week on Mondays and Thursdays to try and help you improve your grade. Plus, every lesson will include a free downloadable PDF in the description, which will cover all of the video solutions in this lesson. Question 1 says calculate the following. We've got 3 plus 4 multiplied by 5 squared. So step 1 is to write BIDMAS in the top right hand corner. So BIDMAS. So this is the order of operations where B stands for brackets, I stands for indices, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So in this question we've got 3 plus 4 times 5 squared. So the first thing is indices. We've got this 5 squared that we need to simplify. So 3 plus 4 multiplied by 5 squared, which is 25. The next thing in this operation here is the multiplication. So there's a multiplication sign and an addition sign, but the multiplication in BIDMAS comes before the addition. So we're going to do 4 times 25, which is equal to 100. So we're left with 3 plus 100, and 3 plus 100 is 103. So that is the final answer. Question 2 says evaluate the following. We've got 18 divided by 3 in a bracket times 12 minus 7 in another bracket. So step 1, write BIDMAS out. So the first thing is simplifying the bracket. So we've got in the first bracket 18 divided by 3. This is 6 multiplied by 12 minus 7 in another bracket. 12 minus 7 is equal to 5, and 6 times 5 is 30. Question 3 says work out 72 divided by, in brackets, 12 times 3 squared plus 1. So again, I'm going to write BIDMAS out. So the first thing is simplifying the bracket. So we've got 72 divided by, and then 2 times 3 squared. So 3 squared is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. And then plus 1. And then the division comes before the addition. So we're going to do 72 divided by 18 and then add 1. So if we do 72 divided by 18. So how many 18s go into 7? That is 0. Carry the 7. And then how many 18s go into 72? This is 4. So we're left with 4 plus 1, which is equal to 5. So the final answer is 5. Question 4 says simplify fully. We've got 5 times, and then in brackets 6 minus 2 all squared minus 8 times 3. So first I'm going to write BIDMAS out. First we're going to simplify this bracket here because that's the first operation. So we've got 5 times 6 minus 2, which is equal to 4. So 4 squared minus 8 times 3. Next we've got this indice here, 4 squared. So I'm going to simplify that. So 5 times 4 squared, which is 16, minus 8 times 3. And then we've got 5 times 16 and then minus 8 times 3. So 5 times 16. 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times 6 is 30. Add the two together, that gives us 80. Minus 8 times 3, which is 24, and then 80 subtract 24, this gives us 56. And finally, question 5 says evaluate the following. We've got this first bracket divided by this second bracket, so BIDMAS. So we're going to simplify the first bracket, and then we've got operations within that first bracket that we have to abide by. So we've got 4 cubed. This is the indice. So 4 cubed is 64 divided by 2 times 6 divided by 10 minus 4. Then we've got this division. 64 divided by 2 is 32 times 6 divided by 10 minus 4. 32 times 6 is 192 divided by 6, and then 192 divided by 6, if we do the bus stop method for this, how many 6's go into 1? That's 0. Carry the 1. How many 6's go into 19? 3 times 6 is 18. Remainder 1. How many 6's go into 12? That's 2. So the final answer here is 32. So this video concludes the first topic within the numbers chapter on BIDMAS.